Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how open jar files in Windows. Chapter 1. Open jar files with Java. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Terminal. Here, check the Java version. Run the command java-version. After this, right-click on the jar file. Then, click on Open With. Here, select the Java Platform Subinary option. You may need to accept firewall permissions. Now, access the contents of the jar. Chapter 2. Open jar files with WinRAR. To start, open File Explorer, then right-click on the jar file. Select WinRAR. Here, click on one of the available options to extract the content. Now, you will see the content of the jar in Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.